The 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona EV is not just another electric car. It's a revolution, the resurrection of muscle, the rebirth of roar, and the redefining of what it means to drive American power in the age of electricity. This is Dodge's answer to a world going electric, loud, fast, unapologetically aggressive, and absolutely futuristic. Let's start with what makes this Charger different. First off, yes, it's 100% electric. But unlike the Teslas and Lucids of the world, Dodge didn't build this for silence. They built it to thrill, to shake, to bellow. And so, they created the world's first EV exhaust system, called the Fratzonic chambered exhaust. It pushes out up to 126 decibels of synthesized roar, using chambers and airflow to mimic the visceral punch of a Hemi. Underneath the sculpted retro-modern body lies Dodge's new STLA large platform. It supports both single-motor rear-wheel drive and dual-motor all-wheel drive configurations. But the real star of the show is the Banshee powertrain, a dual-motor AWD setup producing over 660 horsepower in base trim and up to 880 horsepower in top variants. Dodge hasn't finalized the final output figures for the highest trims, but they've made one thing clear: this EV will smoke its gas-powered ancestors. 0 to 60, under 3 seconds, quarter mile, targeting the high tens, all without a drop of gasoline. Now, design. The Charger Daytona EV is stunning. It blends retro cues from classic Chargers, like the long hood, wide stance, and squared-off profile, with futuristic detailing. The R-wing front-end channels air over the hood while preserving muscle car proportions. LED lighting spans the front and rear, the headlights float in the grille, and the illuminated Fratzonic badge glows with pride. It's mean, it's modern, it's Mopar to the core. The coupe returns. Yes, this is a two-door. A true fastback silhouette with a liftback tailgate for practicality. And yes, a four-door Charger EV is also expected, but this two-door version is all about the attitude. Inside, it's driver-focused and dramatic. A 16-inch digital instrument cluster and a massive curved 12.3-inch central screen dominate the dash. A heads-up display projects data like shift points, G-forces, and lap times onto the windshield. The materials are a mix of Alcantara, forged carbon, aluminum, and ambient LED accents that pulse with throttle input. There's a pistol grip gear selector, performance pages like in SRT Hellcats, and a power shot button that delivers instant boosts of torque on demand. Think of it like a nitrous hit for the EV era. The drive modes are customizable: auto, sport, track, drag, and donut. Yes, donut. It's a burnout mode designed for crowd-pleasing spins, complete with smoke, lights, and sound to match. But what about the range? With a 100+ kWh battery pack, Dodge is targeting over 300 miles of range for base models and around 260 to 280 miles for high-output Banshee variants. Not class-leading, but remember, this is about thrills, not spreadsheets. Charging. 800-volt architecture allows for ultra-fast charging, up to 350 kilowatts. You can regain 100 miles of range in less than 10 minutes if you find the right station. Handling has improved dramatically, with a near 50/50 weight distribution, adaptive dampers, rear axle torque vectoring, and a low center of gravity. The Charger EV doesn't just go fast in a straight line, it corners hard, too. Sound is key here. You can adjust the Fratzonic exhaust from mild to wild. Inside, it rumbles through the cabin, synced with acceleration and deceleration. It's fake, but it feels real, and it gives you feedback that's sorely missing in most EVs. Safety tech includes adaptive cruise, lane keeping, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera. But Dodge made it clear, this is not a self-driving appliance. This is a machine meant to be driven. Pricing. The base single-motor Charger Daytona will start around $60,000. The Banshee AWD performance variants will hit the $85,000–$95,000 range, and the highest trims with carbon fiber, carbon ceramic brakes, and full track packs will push past six figures. So, who is the 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona EV for? It's for the driver who wants to feel something again. It's for muscle car fans who don't want to switch to Tesla. They want performance with attitude, sound with substance, and design that punches back. It's for those who believe going green shouldn't mean going soft. In a sea of whisper quiet, minimalist electric cars, the Charger Daytona is loud, brash, nostalgic, and radical. It's everything Dodge promised, and more. This is not the quiet future of EVs.